Guys, please make sure to stay until the end. We're going to talk about common mistake people make that can actually cost you thousands of dollars for parts, tools, diagnostics that you may not actually need. Stay with us, we'll explain what it is. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Today will be a super helpful video for any of you trying to find where the electric power steering fuses and relays are located on Mercedes C-Class Generation W205. Stay with us, we'll explain what you can expect to find that fuse and relay. It's hidden. We'll talk about hidden fuse boxes and other information that can potentially save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Something else guys, if you need to buy replacement parts, tools, fuses, relays, guys, we will share that information in the description of the video below. Check it out and you can see where we get most of our tools and supplies from as well. Let's start on it now. Before we start guys, let us tell you a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart. We show you how to fix pretty much anything. Electronics, engines, computers, transmissions. Why we do all that? Because our mission at the garage here is to save you as much money as we can guys. All we need in return, please guys, subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these free videos. Check out our YouTube channels. We have more than 17,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. So let's go ahead and start on it now. So guys, electric power steering fuses relays, we'll show you where you can expect to find them. We will demonstrate on this Mercedes C-Class here, that generation Mercedes C-Class. Quick advice from us guys, 9 out of 10 owners will not know how many fuse boxes are located in that car. Some are extremely hidden, some don't even look like fuse boxes. That's why we made one special video on our YouTube channel right here. That's called Mercedes W205 fuse box location and diagram. Check it out, it's a video that can save you a ton of money. That's what we were told by our subscribers. We need to go ahead and open the hood. Most people know about the fuse box guys. Okay, the main engine fuse box, that's right here on the right side, on the driver's side. You see, once you open the cover, you have these turning knobs, one here turning 90 degrees counterclockwise, one on the other side, and here that black and white, that's your engine fuse box. It has a black cover. Once you unscrew the two bolts on the cover, you'll be opening it and you have a fuse box with a layout like this one here. Before we continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. So guys, let us tell you something really quick guys. People make one common mistake. They never test fuses, relays, they look at them and they assume they're good. At that point, they think they have a good fuse or relay and they start replacing modules, computers, parts that can cost you thousands of dollars in repairs guys. Always test your fuses. You have no idea how many cars we fixed for customers that said, oh, I checked the fuse, everything's fine, but I still have a problem. Now, some fuses are super hard to see if they're burnt or not. Some of them will be really easily accessible. You can clearly see them, but there will be fuses that are not see-through, fuses that may look like they're not burned, but they're actually burned. And often, guys, you can actually even test these fuses. Okay, let me show you now without even removing them. But it's very important to know how to test different fuses and relays, and if you want to see how to do that guys, we're going to put that link to a video in the description of the video below, how to test fuse, how to test a relay. Always check that. I want to emphasize that enough because it could be a really simple fix. And here is what we need to check. Power steering fuses usually will be humongous. It will be quite big, over probably 60, 80 amps, 100 amps, depending on the car. But we don't have any big fuses like that one. So don't give up. That's where we try to save you money, guys. Facing the engine on the left side, on the passenger side, you see that cover that has a battery illustration on it with positive sign? Guys, remove it and underneath you have the jump starter terminal. Now, here, guys, if you look at that thing, that's actually an engine pre-fuse box. That's a different angle right here. And that pre-fuse box will have many wires going in and out. Now, guys, before we continue, let me show you what it will look like on the inside. Kind of like this one right here. We'll have fuses like that one. But that's the diagram for it. Before we continue, let's explain, guys, okay, here which fuse we need to check. One main fuse is for the power steering. And that fuse, guys, is known as fuse number 8. That's 5, 6, 7, 8 right here. That's the main power steering fuse that you will need to check. So if you look at the illustration here, it should be the third fuse, okay, the third wire right here going in on your Mercedes. Some other ones may have a different pre-fuse box, but we haven't seen many models with that. But that's the main power steering main fuse that you need to check. You don't have a relay, you have only that fuse that's known as a relay fuse on your Mercedes. Guys, quick advice. Now, that generation Mercedes, it has all kinds of different fuses and relays. I want to show you some of them. Those are super special ones as well, guys. And those pre-fuse boxes as well. Check it out. You will have a great variety of fuses, relays. So, by the way, if you guys want to buy any replacement parts, tools, fuses, we'll recommend to keep some spare ones in the glove box for a peace of mind. We're going to share the information in the description of the video below so you can see where you can get them from, and you can see where we get most of our tools and supplies from as well. Thank you guys for watching, and see you next time.